I didn't cry when you and I said goodbye, but then you turned around and my tears hit the ground. I thought, damn, it's all so pretty, but oh so bittersweet, a bittersweet Christmas. I walked by all these windows, there was light, people laughing, drinking wine. I wished you were by my side, thinking, damn, it's all so pretty, but oh so bittersweet, a bittersweet Christmas. When it's snowing down and I close my eyes, my tears shine like diamonds in the night. 'Cause where there is darkness, there is also light. I know that I'll be fine this bittersweet Christmas. When it's snowing down, close my eyes, I close my eyes, like diamonds in the night. 'Cause where there is darkness, there is also light. I know that I'll be fine this bittersweet Christmas. This bittersweet Christmas.
So to ensure your mashed potatoes are not so blunt, there are some things that I'm going to show you what you can add. You can add a 1/4 cup of milk. Yes, that's fresh milk. It's going to give it such a good taste, and also it's going to ensure that it's not you know what, it's not breaking apart, yeah, crumbly. It will hold together. I'm also going to go in with a tablespoon of margarine. If you have butter, or if you prefer butter, please use that, but I use margarine. One is going to be enough for the entire pot. Then after that, I'm going to add salt. As you can see, my helper there is doing a good job of just passing what I need, but salt was, yeah. Then I add the onions that we have fried on the other side, more of caramelized, but not on the cruncher side, yeah. just a bit, so that they don't become too tough when they come here, or don't burn them. Just make sure they are soft, caramelized, and looking good. Yeah. So on adding the onions, it looks so nice. It also will give it such a nice flavor. This is when I'm adding salt. Sorry, earlier I had not brought it out, but definitely you don't want to eat unsalted mashed potatoes. You have to add some salt there. And just before I mixed, I know that I need to add garlic powder. So garlic powder gives this a taste that you will eat and you will be left licking your plate. So if you've never added garlic powder in your mashed potatoes, take it from me and you will love it. The next thing we are going to do after mixing is just garnish, more of semi garnishing, yeah, because I want it to be mixed up, yeah, with some fresh coriander leaves, and it will be ready to serve. And my family really enjoyed this. This is a very quick dinner that I made on one of the evenings when I was also busy doing other things. This instant pot is a savior. It has come to just shorten the times I cook and I make meals. So if you are planning to get this pot, get it and you will love it. And this is it. It's ready. I'm going to cover it, and of course we have to taste. We have tasted and it is yummy. It is so yummy, yummy, yum. And after that, cover it up just to keep warm as I finish up on the stew. Then I'll be able to serve it and we'll enjoy it together with the stew that I've already made and some steamed cabbage on the side. And thank you guys for being here. Watch the video to the end to see the family enjoying the meal, and catch you up in my next video. God bless you.